Hey, what's up YouTube? Rahul back with an interesting video. This is SOS exclusive, what we know till date about the Motorola Edge Plus. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this Motorola Edge Plus has the latest and greatest Snapdragon 865 that is paired up with 12 gigs of RAM and a very big battery. It's almost 5071 milliampere battery. That's really unbelievable because already the 865 is a power efficient chipset. That's a 7nm chipset. With that, if you pair a 5000 milliampere battery, it's really gonna give a very good battery life. And also the screen is not small. It's a 6.67 inch Super AMOLED display, but it's not a Quad HD or anything else. It's just HD plus, and the pixel per inch is just 386 pixel per inch. Moving on, next thing, the main highlights of this device is the camera and the battery life. So coming to the camera section, we have the main 108MP primary shooter. Next is a 16MP ultra wide, and the third one is a telephoto camera. That's an 8MP shooter. Next thing is the battery. As I've already told you, it's a 5000 milliampere battery, 5070 milliampere. It comes to that range. So battery life will be fantastic. Next thing is that the front facing camera, which is a 20MP shooter. It's there is nothing much hype about it. It's a normal shooter which can shoot up to 1080p, not 4K. It's limited to 1080p, though it's a 20MP camera. And other main things are you have dual pixel autofocus and stabilization OIS plus EIS, optical image stabilization, as well as electronic image stabilization. Now, some of the good things about this device is that it supports Volte in both the SIM cards, that is SIM 1 and SIM 2, but the SIM 2 is hybrid, whereas SIM 1 you can put a normal SIM. And another problem is it doesn't have expandable storage. So the highest variant you get is 256 gigabytes. Next, talking about the headphone jack, yes, it has the headphone jack 3.5 millimeters. And another good thing is in the software front, where you get One UI, so you get the latest Google updates as well as the stock Android feel, which I really like. Now the price of this phone is rumored to be about 48,000 rupees, which is actually expensive compared to other competitors in the market like the Realme X50 Pro and others, or also the new iQOO 3. Now talking about the release date, we have official confirmation that is on March 24th, this product will be released in India. So that was pretty much everything about the cover up of the Motorola Edge Plus. I hope you guys like this small and sweet video. If yes, please hit that subscribe button, it really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.